So this is the main menu of the tool or the dashboard. Here you'll have access to all the options. Here this part will update and show the number of items that needs restocking. First, we will go into the manage inventory part. Here we can see all the items in this drop down. For example, I have this item. If I select it, we'll see the code, the category, the measuring unit, the location it's stored in, and how many are there in the stock. So let's add a new item that we would like to track. This tool is also compatible with barcode scanner tools. So we can set up barcode and then we can use a tool to scan in and out items. So first of all, we will set an item barcode. For example, let's set 10,001, for example, and we'll call it Mojo, for example. It's that's well, the measuring unit is at bottom. Let's store it in location 1. The reorder level is 50. So once the item hits this level, we'll get alerted. And just write the unit price as 100 for now. So let's record it. So we have added this item. See, it's in the drop down, and we can click on it and see the item code number, the category, how many is in stock. You can also delete an item, but we cannot delete items that have stocks in them. The stock needs to be 0 for deleting an item.